Prepare for Christmas 2025 in 2024. Hey, if you're here for the first time, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. I forgot what I talk about here on this channel. I encourage you to subscribe, okay? Make sure that you guys click all of the notification bells. If you're here for a good time but not a long time and you are returning bestie, hey girl, hey. All right, you guys. So one of the things that many people do in the end of the year is they go into debt to purchase Christmas gifts, holiday dinner, all of those things to have an amazing holiday season. And it happens every year. It just does. And we get to the point and we say, hey, we're not going to do it. But then we end up doing it because the holiday blues comes over us. And we're like, hey, I want to have a good time for the holidays. So what I thought to do, I have saved for Christmas before in the past. And I thought that it's important that we start early. So I wanted to share with you guys pretty much what I do to start early and what you can do to start early with putting away enough money each month in order to save for the holiday time. Now, of course, we have all kind of other holidays throughout the year. We have Mother's Day, Father's Day, Valentine's Day, July 4th, just so many other holidays. But for some reason, Christmas seems to be the season, of course, because you're buying gifts for, more people and things like that. So for us to properly prepare for Christmas, we're going to do a Christmas budget today, which we're still in 2024, and I am planning for next year, 2025. And you can do this for any holiday it is that you want. So if July 4th is your favorite holiday and you know that you like to buy your family, you want to cook and you want to buy fireworks and all that good stuff, you pretty much would do the same thing, okay? So let's get into it. So this is something that I just created on Canva. You can really do this just with a regular sheet of paper, and that's what I was gonna do, but then I had found that I had created this already, so I was like, fine, whatever. Now what I am going to do here is I'm going to write everybody that I know as of today that I want to purchase a gift for, and I'm just gonna write their names right here. Alright, so I have everything here. I don't have everything, but I've just at least written down the names of the people. I have one sheet for family and then one sheet for, I guess you could say friends and family. Because some people are like family. So here, these are the people that I know for sure I want to purchase gifts for. And I tried to put everybody in order to make sure I didn't forget anyone. And when I say order, I mean like mom, dad, if they're married to anyone, and then my siblings. I forgot my child and my grandchild, but they're there. Okay, so now here is where I will give everyone a budget. This will let me know how much money it is that I need to save for the family. Now, also what I might want to put in here maybe on this sheet will be like for any decor or anything like that that I might want to buy, okay? So this is just starting with family gifts. So budget, I will say here the budget will be $100. And then I'll say the budget will be $100. Now this of course can be increased depending on the money that I may have left for everybody else, or it can decrease or increase or decrease, okay? So then here and then these people are Okay, so of course the person with the most would be my daughter, because I'm sure her gifts would be more expensive for, you know, a couple of items, and then my granddaughter as well. So now let's see how much this adds up to. So this is 1,700, I believe. I'm going to add this up again. Yeah, so 1,700 is the total budget. And this is for everybody. Now, usually the things that they want, they don't give me a large list. Really, I'm thinking that I'm just gonna do 17 for everything, to be honest with you. Because after I'm looking, I'm like, okay, we're getting a little up here. Now, I know that normally the adults, they don't say like, give me something so expensive, but you know, I don't know. Yeah, or I might just round it off to $2,000 for Christmas, like a $2,000. After I write this down and I see everyone's budget, and I'm just gonna add 300 to that, which the 300 would include like the extra decor or anything else that I want to add. So we're just gonna have a $2,000 Christmas budget, which really sounds quite well. I mean, if you think about it, if you have a lot of people in your life, then you want to bless all of those people, or you may not, it just depends. So with a $2,000 budget, I like to start shopping in October-ish, because that's when the sales start. They really start in like September. So I'm going to give myself 10 months to save. So that means I would need to save $200 a month. Because if I do 11 months, oh, wow, that looks weird. 2,000 divided by 11. Oh, that looks so weird. 181. So basically, I need to save $200 a month to be able to shop comfortably for Christmas 2025. Unless I do something like 150 times 10, then that's 1,500 a month. 1,500 is a good amount, actually. So actually, I'm going to cut this down to $1,500 budget. Cutting it by 500. So that is a total of $150 every month. So I'm going to save $150 every month, and that will go in the Christmas sinking fund, if you will. So this was probably all over the place, and I do apologize for that. But this is pretty much how it works. Like I said, you can do yours however you want to do it. However you want to plan for it. You can give everybody a budget, or you can just come up with a total amount and then make everything fit, which is kind of what I did. First, I put what I would like to spend on each person. And then once I saw the total amount and I looked at how much I would need to save every month, then as you can see, I said, okay, we're going to slice that by 500, and then we're going to make everything and everyone fit in a $1,500 budget for Christmas 2025. So I hope that this video has been helpful. I want to keep us out of debt. I don't want anyone going into debt over the holidays, but it just is what it is. It happens. But if there's a way that we can prevent it, then we want to do our very best to do so. So I hope that this video was helpful and you can work on your Christmas budget for 2025 in the new year. And I will see you besties in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.